today we're doing our first concrete pour on this big project up in Anmore.
How much concrete do you figure is getting dumped here today?
Our calculation was for 37.5 meters, and we ordered 39 just because you want a little bit of an overage just to make sure that you have enough. And yeah, it's just step one of many meters that we have to go, as you can see around the property here. For this wall, we are doing a mono pour, where we're pouring the footings and the wall at the same time, and that's basically due to site conditions. We're trying to accelerate the program here and pour the wall, get it stripped, get it done, because we want to backfill behind it. Going forward, we will be pouring just footings and building walls on top afterwards.
When's the next pour happening? Do we know?
Hopefully next week. Hopefully next week, we're going to pour this pad right behind us here.